gonna blow this motherfucker up. Already appreciate it, man. Look, it's smoking now. Redneck Rescue. You out with the Redneck Rescue, man? Hey! What the fuck? Oh! No! No! Hey!
Hey! Fucking white people, dude. Look at that guy. That's a prime example of fucking white people.
That is!
Look at it. Look at it. Stupider than fuck.
Man, I'm gonna have it on my YouTube channel. Y'all check it out, man.
I got you, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Is you amazed?
Somebody told me girls got buttholes and I just can't fucking believe it.
Butthole? Hey, what kind of motor you got in here, man? 385. A 385? It sounds good. You got a cam and everything in it. Is it a Chevy motor or a Dodge? Chevy? Damn. It got race gas in it too, or you got the smell good in it? 110? Damn. What year is it? How long you had it?
About 4 or 5 years I built it.
Okay.
Bought the body. Built
Damn.
everything.
What transmission you running? What transmission you running?
350 turbo.
350 turbo too. It sounds good, bro. Y'all having a good time over here? Yes, sir. Yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh shit! Hey, don't fall. Okay. Don't fall. Okay. Don't let her go, man. Redneck. Yes, sir.
What? How do you find them?
Hey, check it out.
You showed up with one dude.
That's gonna be the YouTube channel, man. I'm gonna have everything on the YouTube channel.
I'm gonna be on the YouTube channel?
Yeah, I was flying the drone earlier today too. Go on, put your shout out, man. Tell them where you from one time.
I am from Southeast Georgia, man.
Already.